Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin representing Team Paul Mitchell, and today I'm going to show you how to do the around the head blockbuster strike. So before we try out this move, it's important that you have the regular blockbuster or triangle strike down just like that. Now once you're really smooth at that and you don't have to think about the steps too much, you can start to try this harder variation. So all that you do basically is instead of doing the diagonal strike in the middle, you're going to swap that with an around the head strike, like so. So you can practice that out. Try on the right hand starting across or around the head, and then switching sides, around the head, just like that. Now we're going to incorporate that into the blockbuster strike. So we're going to start off, instead of starting off in this the regular starting position, we're actually just going to have both hands at the bottom. So we're going to take our front hand, we're going to bring it across, switching sides on the hip, and now this other hand is going to do an around the head strike. Now, as this comes over to match that other hand, the other hand starts to do the around the head strike on the other side, coming inwards. Now, cross, switch, cross, around, cross, around, cross, around, cross. So the unique thing about this is you actually don't come up to the top shoulder at all. So all that you're doing is while the hand is doing this around the head strike, the other hand is switching sides so it can set up to do it on the other side. So one really important thing to remember while you're doing this technique is that the around the head strike is always going inward, okay? It's always coming to the inside. So this move is pretty tricky, it's pretty advanced, but it looks really cool once you get it down. So make sure that you take your time with it, and once you go slow and you feel pretty confident, you can begin to speed it up. Just like that. And that is the around the head blockbuster variation.